Welcome to our professional step-by-step guide to tiling the overflow channel of a swimming pool using high-quality ceramic tiles. In this in-depth tutorial, we will walk you through the entire process of preparing, leveling, aligning, and installing ceramic tiles along the overflow drainage channel surrounding your pool. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a skilled tiler looking to perfect your craft, this video is filled with advanced tips, technical knowledge, and practical insights to help you achieve an exceptional finish and ensure flawless water flow. Around your pool, the overflow channel plays a critical role in water circulation, drainage, and filtration. It collects excess water as swimmers enter and exit the pool and directs it into the filtration system. If the channel is improperly built or poorly tiled, it can result in water leakage, stagnation, unsightly finishes, and long-term maintenance issues. That's why precise ceramic installation is essential not only for visual appeal, but also for the functional integrity of the pool system. In this video, we pay special attention to every detail to ensure perfection. We begin by analyzing the structural condition of the overflow channel and assessing the existing surface. We explain how to clean the substrate thoroughly, removing dust, oils, or old residues that may interfere with adhesion. We demonstrate how to identify any cracks, gaps, or irregularities and how to use cement mortar or leveling compound to create a flat, stable, and water-resistant base for the ceramic tiles. Next, we prepare the tiling plan, measuring the width and depth of the overflow channel, determining the best layout for tile placement, and dry fitting the pieces to visualize the alignment. We emphasize the importance of achieving consistent slopes to direct water seamlessly into the channel without allowing puddles or backflow. Every tile must sit at the correct gradient and elevation, especially at the edge where water overflows. We show you how to mix and apply high-performance tile adhesive suitable for wet areas. The video captures in real time how to spread the adhesive using the correct notch trowel well, ensuring maximum coverage and strong bonding. Watch as we place each tile with accuracy, using tile spacers to maintain uniform joints and checking each piece with a spare level to guarantee straight lines and smooth surfaces. Throughout the video, we demonstrate advanced techniques for cutting ceramic tiles using a wet saw and an angle grinder, especially round curves, corners, or tight spots near the skimmer box or drain covers. You'll see how to achieve smooth, chip-free cuts that fit perfectly without gaps. We also explain how to prevent lippage between tiles and how to create subtle slope adjustments using thin layers of adhesive. Once the tiling is complete, we move on to grouting. We guide you through choosing a waterproof, mold-resistant grout suitable for pool areas and how to mix it to the correct consistency. You'll learn how to apply the grout with a rubber float, press it firmly into the joints, and clean the excess with a damp sponge without washing away too much. Grouting the overflow channel is a delicate process. It must be neat, sealed, and free from air pockets to avoid water intrusion. In addition, we apply silicone sealant at key expansion joints, such as where the ceramic meets the coping stones or the pool walls. We explain how to choose a UV and water-resistant silicone and how to apply it cleanly, using masking tape for perfect lines. You'll also discover useful tips on protecting the newly installed tiles during the curing phase. We explain how long to wait before filling the pool, how to conduct a water flow test along the overflow channel, and how to inspect for any signs of leakage or improper leveling. Our goal is not just to help you tile a pool overflow channel, we aim to help you tile it like a pro. We go beyond the basics, offering trade secrets used by professional pool tilers around the world. From tile selection and layout strategies to adhesive choice, cutting precision, joint spacing, and post-installation care, this tutorial gives you everything you need to complete the job with confidence and pride. The video showcases a real-life project where every step is shown in detail. From the first trowel of cement to the final wipe of the grout sponge, it's perfect for homeowners looking to upgrade their backyard pool, contractors aiming for high-end results, or anyone passionate about quality craftsmanship in ceramic work. By the end of this video, you'll understand the importance of precision, patience, and planning in overflow channel tiling. You'll be able to identify common mistakes and avoid them. You'll be equipped to tackle even the most challenging tiling tasks with confidence. This video is more than a tutorial, it's a masterclass in ceramic pool tiling. Let us be your guide on this journey to perfect pool design and optimal water flow. Whether you're watching for inspiration or instruction, We hope you'll find value in every minute and take away skills that you can apply in your own tiling projects. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more detailed, high-quality tiling tutorials from swimming pools to gardens, water tanks, fountains, and more. Let's build something beautiful one tile at a time. Now that the ceramic tiles have been expertly laid across the overflow channel, and the grout has been carefully packed and cleaned, we transition into a crucial yet often overlooked phase of the installation: post-tiling. Inspection, performance, testing, finishing touches, and maintenance planning. In this segment of the tutorial, we shift focus from the visible beauty of the tile work to the underlying performance and longevity of your craftsmanship. Every tiled pool channel must be more than just aesthetically pleasing. It must be durable, safe, and functionally reliable under constant water exposure. We begin with a full inspection of the installed tiles, checking for any inconsistencies in slope, surface level, tile alignment, grout density, or micro gaps. You'll learn how to spot uneven tiles that might interfere with the natural flow of water or create turbulence in the overflow channel. Even a fraction of a millimeter can affect how water cascades off the edge of the pool, especially in high-use environments. Next, we demonstrate how to conduct a controlled water flow test. This is one of the most critical steps in evaluating the precision of your tiling work. We simulate the overflow effect by gradually filling the pool and monitoring how water spills over into the channel. The camera captures how the water glides over the ceramic edges, showing whether the slope is effective and whether any areas create resistance, splashing, or stagnation. If issues arise, we explain how to make micro adjustments using polishing tools or grout reshaping techniques. We then focus on edge detailing, where the ceramic tiles meet other surfaces such as the coping stones, skimmer grates, or concrete shoulders. These transition areas must be sealed, smoothed, and reinforced to avoid structural issues. We cover the techniques for cleaning grout haze, polishing tile surfaces for a glossy finish, and applying protective sealers for long-term water resistance and UV protection. In addition to appearance and functionality, we address safety and comfort. Many pool owners and installers overlook the potential sharpness of ceramic tile edges. We offer professional methods to gently round or bevel exposed edges using a diamond hand pad or a rotary grinder with fine grit polishing discs. This ensures swimmers can interact with the overflow edge safely without risk of cuts or abrasions. We also introduce the concept of expansion joint management, an essential aspect in areas exposed to high temperature fluctuations. Using flexible joint fillers, we reinforce corners and intersecting joints where expansion and contraction could otherwise lead to cracking or detachment. You'll learn which materials are best suited for submerged or semi-submerged environments and how to apply them professionally. Once the visual and mechanical inspections are complete, we move into maintenance planning. Even the highest quality tile installations require routine care to preserve their integrity. We share expert advice on setting up a maintenance schedule that includes periodic tile surface cleaning, joint resealing, inspection for mineral buildup, and detecting early signs of wear. With the right maintenance, your overflow tiling can remain flawless and fully functional for decades. This video also dives into the aesthetic enhancement techniques you can apply to the tile overflow area. For instance, using contrast grout colors to highlight the geometry of your tile layout, or applying waterproof LED strip lighting under the tile lip to illuminate the water flow at night, transforming a technical feature into a striking design statement. To further deepen your understanding, we include tips on working in challenging conditions such as tiling in hot climates, managing humidity and drying times, or adjusting adhesives when working near saltwater pools. These situational adjustments can be critical to ensuring the success of your installation. Additionally, for those who wish to expand their tiling skills professionally, we discuss how mastering pool overflow channels opens doors to higher-end tiling projects. You'll gain the confidence to work on spa areas, fountain edges, water features, and luxury resort pools. Precision tiling is not just a skill, it's an art form, and those who practice it with discipline and detail will always be in demand. This phase of the tutorial concludes with a side-by-side comparison of before and after shots highlighting the transformation from a bare concrete overflow channel into a polished, beautifully tiled water guiding system. You'll see how symmetry, slope, and finish all contribute to a unified and high-end look that complements the rest of the pool. Asterisk as the water glides effortlessly into the channel with zero resistance, and the ceramic surfaces shine under the sun, the final result speaks for itself. It's more than a technical task, it's craftsmanship. It's the harmony between water and tile, between structure and style. Asterisk so whether you're a professional tile installer looking to perfect your pool work, or a homeowner determined to elevate your backyard into a resort-like escape, this video delivers knowledge that empowers you to execute with excellence. We hope this tutorial adds immense value to your tiling journey, enhances your understanding of pool systems, and inspires you to aim for perfection with every project. Asterisk thank you.